Come on, popcorn. Yeah. Are going to be reviewing this hot air popcorn maker. Everybody says all these hot air popcorn makers are the best. So let's just go ahead and pull this thing out here. Because there's a lot of people out there like me that don't actually read the directions, I'm going to read the direction for you so you guys are aware of a few things, because hey, we're only human, we can make some mistakes. So this pops with hot air. Do not place oil inside here. Do not place butter inside here, shortening, or anything else inside of here except the popcorn kernels. That's right. You can go ahead and melt your own butter from a microwave or however else you want to melt your butter. Spray some butter on there, put some salt on there, but do not do it inside the actual chamber. Another thing you guys want to add with the directions there, do not put this in your dishwasher. Do not squirt water all over your thing. You can simply wipe it down with a cloth or something once it's cooled off, because this stays hot for a very long time and you can burn yourself, you could light something on fire. So look, just be smart and safe. So it comes with these little cup here for scooping. So you want to put that much popcorn in, and you guys can see that it will produce a lot. You take the lid here, this is the hot lid, that goes right on top, just pops in place like that. So you keep that on when you're popping popcorn. That always needs to be on, or else you're gonna have popcorn seeds going all over the place. When you are done, when you take your little cup here, you scoop some kernels, you pour it in there. When you're done, you place this back on top. There's a little slot here that it just goes right on. So that stays in place. You keep this on top here. This does not stay open, okay? Make sure you have a big enough bowl that's going to catch all your delicious popcorn, because you do not want to have a small little bowl. Then popcorn's going to be shooting out all over the place. Your dog's going to go wild. Your cat's going to go wild. Your wife's going to go wild. She's going to say, "What are you doing? I told you not to make a mess. Why are you always making a mess when you're doing something like this?" Alright, as you can see, we use these massive bowls here, and you're going to find out very quickly why. You can hold it up to it, or you can set it on a table, whatever you want to do it. So we're going to push this back. We're going to take our lid right here. We're going to go ahead. We're going to power it down. So that was just for the first time. The first time use, you want to go ahead and let it run just for the first time. For other times, you don't have to let it run. So you go ahead here, fill up your cup. We're not going to make that much this time, so we're going to do probably half a cup. We're just demonstrating for you guys. Drop that in there, just like that. Go ahead, turn this down, and now we're going to turn this back on. Oh wait, look at that, it's already starting. Like I said, it doesn't take long. Oh, look at that delicious popcorn. Look at that. Oh, it's delicious. Come on, popcorn. Yeah! Look how much popcorn that little scoop made. Leave it as is for, I would say, 10-15 minutes. After 10-15 minutes, go ahead, take everything off. You could do it right now, but everything's pretty hot, so unless you don't want to set it on something that could be flammable, even though obviously it's not going to do anything. You just, for safety precautions. And for this, let it alone. Leave it alone for an hour or two. Let everything completely cool off before you wipe it down inside. And another thing I want to let you guys know is wait until this cools down. Wait before you use it again. So wait till the popcorn machine cools down inside before you go ahead and use it again. I'm not quite sure why they recommend that, but it's in the manual, so I'm going to recommend it to you guys as well. So look at this. Listen to this.